Welcome back to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Kasia version 0.2.0 that has just been released. Now, if you don't know what Kasia is, I did make this video over here, how Kaspa becomes bigger than just transferring value. And this is a Kasia messaging guide into understanding how Kasia messaging works and also how you can run it locally on your own device. Now, this update has actually changed a lot of the user interface, so there's some things to cover here, but let's go ahead and read all of the features that have been added. So first off, payments are here. So you can send Kaspa directly in a chat and it's seamless in message payments, send custom messages with a payment. You also have Kaspa domain integration. So there's no more need for long addresses. You can use your .cas name or just name the message and pay. And that is very, very important feature to have so that it becomes a lot more easier when you're trying to send messages to brand new people. If they have a domain name, you can just put that name in and it will grab their address. Next, Go Mobile. Fully mobile friendly. Kasia on the go, native apps coming soon. So yes, right now you can use the Kasia website and you can use this on your phone, the mobile website, and it works pretty flawlessly. I actually have decided to only use Kasia on my phone now just so that I can keep all of my messages intact on my phone. Now, you do have the ability to export your messages so that you can continue on a computer or any other device, but truly it is a lot more user-friendly now when you are using it on your phone. And then there's a major UI UX overhaul, so redesign the home screen, uniquely generated avatars, replace alerts with smooth toast notifications, no more estimate fee flickering with a clean design, advanced wallet features, so now you can do UTXO compounding to reduce your fees. There's a priority fee selector for custom speed. You also have the custom Kaspa node URL support now, and then media and performance boost. Image compression and resizing on upload, take photos from your phone and send, faster messaging, fetching with optimized decryption, handshake flow overhaul and improvements, improved export/import functionality, and that is pretty much all it is. So let's go ahead and get into the review of this. So as you can see, the logo has also updated on the top left here, and if we click the settings icon right here, this is where you can now put your own node URL and connect to your own Kaspa node so that you can run Kasia with your own node. Next, we have these two new options here that gives a little bit more information about Kasia. It says your keys, your messages. We never store your private keys or have access to your messages. Everything is encrypted and controlled by you. You can even run Kasia yourself with github.com, and you can go to the repository for Kasia and run it locally. Why do I need a Kaspa wallet? Kasia is a private messaging app that protects your privacy. Your Kaspa wallet acts as a secure login, no email, phone number, or personal details needed. Messages are encrypted and stored on the Kaspa block tag, making them completely private and decentralized. So let's go ahead and take a look at these new features. So if I head over here into this wallet that I created for this video, you can see here that you no longer need to click to start the messaging service like you did in the past. Now it just starts it automatically. And then we have this hamburger menu with a lot of the other features that you are used to seeing all put in one nice centralized place. So you're able to show your address. This is where you can copy your address or show the QR code. You can also click here for wallet info. This is where you can see your wallet name and how much Kaspa your wallet has. Then you have the actions menu, which lets you do a couple of things. So you can withdraw funds, which is just pretty self-explanatory. You can just move your Kaspa out of this wallet if you wanted to another wallet. You can compound your UTXOs. You can import and export your messages. You can also delete all your messages. And then lastly, you can view your seed phrase after you put your password in here. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys how Kaspa domains are actually working on Kasia. So if I go ahead and click the plus icon right here, I can literally search Kaspa Silver and you will actually see my address pop up. And this is because my address has the Kaspa Silver domain name that I was able to acquire. So if you do purchase your own domain name, You literally just have to tell a person, hey, put in my domain name into the recipient address box and my address will pop up. And if you don't have a domain name, I do have a video that I recently made explaining how you can create a Kaspa domain. You can choose to do it on the KNS website, their official website themselves, or you can go to kaspa.com and go ahead and create your own domain name here after connecting your wallet that you have on Casware to kaspa.com. Now, what I like to do is import the same seed phrase that I have on Kasia into my Casware wallet so that I can easily access the same wallet that I have with Kasia on Casware, and then I can easily grab KNS domains if I want to go ahead and inscribe a new domain, or if I want to check the marketplace and try to purchase a domain name that is already acquired and I want to have instead. So after putting the domain name Kaspa Silver, my address pops up here, and you can go ahead and then click Start Chat, confirm send, and this will send a handshake to my Kasia wallet. And if I head over here to the conversation, you can see that it says handshake sent. You can also see that the conversation automatically adopted my domain name as Kaspa Silver, but you are more than capable of changing this name to whatever you want. If you wanted to, you don't have to keep it the domain name that you had put in when you started the conversation. So I went ahead and went on Kasia on my phone and accepted the handshake, and now we are able to communicate with each other. So I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to send a message right now on my phone, and then you're going to be able to see the message on the computer there. So here are some features that were added. So now you can send payments directly within the conversation. So if you click the plus icon right here and you click the Kaspa logo, you can put a message with a payment amount. So if I went ahead and said payment for food, and then I can literally put here the amount of Kaspa, just going to send one as a test and click send. It will instantly send one Kaspa to the recipient, and now you'll also have a title for why you received this payment. So this is really useful for sending quick Kaspa to and from each other. The next feature that was added was automatically compressing any kind of image that you may upload to Kasia. Because Kasia does have a limitation of only allowing 10 kilobytes maximum for what you can upload, it would be pretty annoying if you had to try and compress your photos yourself. And so now Kasia has a built-in compressor so that anytime you upload any kind of image, it will just automatically compress it so that you can send it. So I'm going to go ahead and test that feature right here. So I have a image here that was a thumbnail that I used for one of my YouTube videos. And if I go ahead and double click this image, you can see that it says large image. It automatically compressed it and compression was successful. And then now if I go ahead and click send, it's going to go ahead and send that image now in a compressed state so that the recipient can actually see it now on Kasia. And mind you, this is all fully encrypted. If I go ahead and click this message right here, you can click to view the transaction, and you can see that on the Explorer, you are not able to actually see this image at all, and you will never be able to because it is fully encrypted, and only me and the recipient are able to see this on Kasia. And some last final improvements that were added is if I was to type any kind of message here, you could see that the estimated fee down below is now a lot more cleaner and is not really in your way when you are trying to type anything. Plus, if you click this icon right here, this arrow, it will actually collapse your conversations and you'll just see the first letter of the name of whatever conversation you are viewing. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and before we go, if you are interested in supporting me in any kind of way, you can go ahead and click my link tree down below in the description of this YouTube video, and you'll be able to see all the different ways that you can support me. You can support me through Patreon. You can also read my articles on Medium. You can even join my Discord server, which is free to join, but Patreon does give you more access to different things within the Discord. But the bulk of my server is free to view. And then there are links to different wallets if you're interested in getting any cold storage wallets so that you can secure Kaspa offline and off exchanges. These links will take you to those wallets, and also apply the promo code Kaspa Silver whenever you are checking out. Make sure that promo code is there so that you can receive a discount off of whatever you may choose to acquire. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new around here, and as always, don't be average, be different.